The federal court injunctions being overruled. The legal case is Trump versus CASA Inc. The decision was given to us June 27, 2025. Core question: should lower courts be allowed to impose nationwide injunctions against federal policies, even in states and on individuals not involved in the lawsuits? Scope: while the case arose from lower courts blocking Trump's executive order limiting birthright citizenship, SCOTUS did not rule on the policy's constitutionality, only the scope of the injunctions, and we did get a majority opinion, 6-3, Barrett, Roberts, Thomas, Alito, Gorsuch, Kavanaugh, all in the majority opinion argued nationwide injunctions are unsupported by traditional equitable authority from the Judiciary Act of 1789. We're going way back in time for that one. Such sweeping orders were not practiced historically and exceed the court's powers, urging remedies tailored to specific parties only. The court partially stayed injunctions issued by district courts in Washington, Maryland, and Massachusetts because they exceeded the scope necessary to remedy the plaintiff harm. So essentially what they're saying is they didn't really rule on the court's authority so much to be able to stop the executive branch from implementing laws regarding immigration. What they did was they ruled on whether the scope of the authority of these injunctions could actually cover individuals who aren't actually a party to the lawsuit. So they're basically saying injunctions need to be on a case-by-case basis. You can't just issue a nationwide injunction as a federal judge that says, no, anyone who was born here continues to be a citizen can't be deported, whereas the court is essentially saying, okay, well, if one person's being deported for that rule change by the Trump administration, you need to bring a specific injunction as to just that individual. So slight victory there, but I don't want to get into acting like that was some huge victory for the Trump administration.
For the latest in case updates, legal tips, news, and politics, make sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram and our other socials, and above all, subscribe on YouTube to get your dose of excellence on a daily basis.